Welcome to GPD, your simple AC solution and more. At GPD, we specialise in aftermarket air conditioning and heat exchange products for light duty and heavy duty applications. Our business began as a 5-bay automotive AC installation and repair shop in Macon, Georgia in 1974. And by the early 2000s, we became a leading national distributor with distribution centres across the US.
I'm Michael Cosby with GPD. I'm the Eastern Regional Sales Manager. At GPD, our core values center around simplicity. We aim to be easy to work with, helping our distributors achieve the best returns on their investment and support them in driving sales.
Today we offer the most comprehensive HVAC, heat exchange, turbocharger and engine management sensor lines in the market, with our key products including compressors with the oil inside, blower motors, accumulators, evaporators, radiators, fan assemblies, condensers, heater cores, turbochargers and engine management sensors.
I'm Mac Malcolm, Vice President of Operations. In my 25 years with Global Parts, it's been amazing to witness the growth of the company and how we've evolved to meet the changing demands of the market and our customers. In just over 10 years, we've expanded from a 27,000 square foot warehouse to a modern 200,000 square foot distribution facility and have become a nationally recognized leader in the automotive aftermarket.
And to achieve that, teamwork is key to our success. From the voice on the phone when you call our customer service team, to our catalog and order fulfillment teams working hard behind the scenes, setting up new parts and processing orders, to the dedicated warehouse staff who picks and packs your orders.
Every team member plays a vital role in achieving the level of service our customers have come to expect from us. Not only are we dedicated to being your simple AC solution, but being a go-to reliable source for our customers by publishing repair and replacement trends researched by our own product development team and the workshop that we still own that we started in. We highlight relevant features, benefits to educate the sales teams, installers and the consumer, in addition to boosting your sales. Our catalogue, marketing, research and development, our operations teams are continuously innovating to better meet the evolving needs of our customers.